2014 Tesla Model S. Quick video on how to access the blower motor when you need to replace it. It's already missing the glove box, not a problem. You're gonna have to pop this part off right here. It's held in with clips. Put that aside. Pop this bottom piece off, held in with clips. And then it's gonna expose about 6 T20 screws all the way around. Open the glove box, pop that out, unplug some of these wires. It's gonna be easy. And then on the side, pop out this panel, again held in with nothing but clips, as you can see. Pop all those clips, pop off this plastic panel, again held in with clips. You don't even have to use a pry tool, just use your hands. The bottom shelf is held in with 220 T20 Torx screws, one on this corner right here and one on this corner. Pop that out, you'll be able to access that. While you're removing that, you're gonna have the hood latch. It's pretty easy. Push down this tab, remove it, and pull out the metal cord. It's pretty easy. And then you're gonna have access to the blower motor. You're gonna have a vent right there. You're gonna have to remove that, held in with a couple of screws underneath. As you can see, a couple of Phillips head screws. Remove that, unplug the blower motor, and you can pull it out. It's held in with maybe 3 Phillips head screws. All right, guys, hopefully that's helpful to you guys. And until next time, peace.